Do you want to know?
Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lily. That's Lily. I'm Nacho, and today we're going to do a nice refreshing drink. All right, we're going to call it, it's pineapple and mango water, pretty much. So it's a nice refresher. It's a little bit a good alternative to juice. So that's what we're going to take on today, okay? So first thing you're going to need a full pineapple. You're going to need some mango. So one mango, we just went ahead and diced it up. This recipe is going to call for 2 liters of water. All right, so this will be enough to do 2 liters of water. Now, what I did is I used this tool. You can get it anywhere. It helps just gut out the pineapple. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut our pineapple. And we're gonna go ahead and just kind of go straight down and cut it. And then you can always use the pineapple shell with this. You can end up using it as a cup. So just go in, super simple. You just twist and turn, and it'll get all of that pineapple out. So you see the twisted motion, super simple. It's easier than cutting up the whole pineapple out. And you can pretty much find this anywhere, really. All right. And we just pop it on out. And look at that, we got all the pineapple out. Easy as can be. And you just pop the top part out. And we're gonna go ahead and drop our pineapple. Look at how perfect that came out. Awesome. So it came out great. So let's go ahead and add the rest of the juices of the pineapple in here. All right, we've already got our mango cut up. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in here. And this is super simple. It really doesn't take that long. You could probably knock it out in about 5 minutes. The hardest part is chopping up everything. And you're gonna need about 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Now, obviously, if you do 2 liters, you might need a little bit more sugar. We're gonna use 1 liter here. We're gonna add our water, and you wanna blend it together. So you need some water in there as well. So make sure you add a little bit of water. And we're gonna go and cover this up. And let's proceed to blend. All right, so you can kind of see right here, we got everything already blended in. All right, the sweetness is just right for 1 liter. So make it 2/3 of a cup if you're gonna do 2 liters. We're just gonna go ahead, we made our pineapple cup pretty much. So if you really wanna impress somebody, or you wanna do a nice, fun recipe, then I definitely recommend it. I've added some ice in here, cool down the drink. But look at that, I mean, that is beautiful right there. All right, so you can decorate this plate however you like. I put some ice cubes in there. It's a good refresher for this nice hot summer. So, but if you have any other questions or you're looking for more refreshing drinks, make sure to follow our channel. All right, we pretty much upload daily. We have tons of new recipes. We're gonna do a lot more of our natural juices, so definitely check those out. If you have any questions about the recipe or just you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. But let's give this a try. Let's see how good it came out. Oh yeah, now that's really refreshing. So like I said, do that on a barbecue. All right, take that out to your friends, show them out. All right, but other than that, it's been another episode of Cooking with Lily, and we'll see you guys on the next one, all right?